taste, I'm using pink salt. Smear some oil on all of them, and now I'm going to gently turn them around with a toothpick or with a wooden spatula. Just turn them around like this, and then you'll cook them on the other side for 10 minutes, and be careful with your hands. Now I'll turn all of them and then cook them on again low for medium to low, and I did keep changing between medium and low. Let me turn these guys around, and then I will cover and cook on the other side for 10 minutes. If you can see a close-up of them, they are all golden on your surface. So they've all turned golden, and I'm going to cook it again for another 10 minutes. Unbust the lid and this side for further 10 minutes. Switched off the upper pan, and I'm looking at my pakoras. This is what they look like, and I'm going to look at them on the other side. They should be golden brown. Now we are going to have a quick check. Yeah, we are golden brown. Yeah. So I'm now going to remove them and make a couple more to finish the mixture. They look golden brown. I think I need to cook them a little more, so I will cook them for another 5 to 10 minutes until they're completely cooked from inside. So I'm going to cook them on low heat so they can cook through. My beautiful pakoras are ready. Now it did take me a lot longer than I thought it would be. I did first turn them 10 minutes on one side and 10 minutes on the other side. Then I gave them between 5 to 7 minutes on both sides again to cook them through from inside. And this is what they look like, and they are wonderful, delicious. You must give them a try and let me know what you think of them. Do like this recipe, share, subscribe, and see you later.